Okay. OBA 7. Now we are creating number ranges for document types. Okay. Okay. And the document types that we need here are WA, which is goods issue, double click. It's 49. And good receipt. This will be used for GR and IR accounts. 50. And the other one is RE invoice gross and 50 and 51. Okay, now what we'll do is number range information, company code is ZAP 9, intervals, and 51. Page down, page down. 51, 2003, okay, 2024, 51 and 599. And for 50, we have 50 and 509. Page up. For 49, we have 2004-49 and 490 and 4999. Okay, this is set. Next is SERO, reference IMG. Financial accounting. Now we'll create master data of vendors. Okay, vendor accounts, master data, preparations, define account groups with screen layout. Okay, vendor group, new entries, and that will be ZARM, and that will be ZAP 9. ZAP 9 raw material vendor. Save. Okay, it's done. Next is number ranges. Now this is a little tricky. Why? Because I'll just show you why. Now we have 05, 03. Let me open up another instance, SPRO. Cross-application components. Why? Because in the earlier versions of SAP, which was ECC and EHP, we could make vendors from FI side, from MM side. Now it has actually centralized in S/4HANA. In S/4HANA, we have this cross-application component submodule where our business partners, be it customers or employees or vendors, these are made under, and these are clubbed or categorized together under SAP Business Partner. Okay. Now, SAP Business Partner and Business Partner basic settings and number ranges and groupings, define number ranges. Now we have to see what number range can we match with finance 03, 3000 and 3000, 300, 100. 300, 100, 3059. We have a number status over here 3034. And okay, business partner area, if we have anything which is but one thing that we have to understand that we will only select number ranges which are external because cross application components will be making that business partner. Okay, so B1, B2. Let's see, do we have B1? Now this is business partner area and B1 is 1601. 1601 and 1699. 1699. So we have like 80 more to go. So we'll select B1. Okay. And we will assign this to the account group. Assign number ranges because this will help. Okay, account group. ZARM. B1. Save. Save. Okay, now we have that assignment and okay, groupings, define number ranges has been done. Business partner, okay. Next node will be define groupings and assign number ranges. Groupings and assign number ranges, and that will be ZARM, ZAP 9, RM vendors, ZAP 9 RM vendors, business partners, B1. An entry already exists. Okay. Entry already exists. You want to cancel? Yes. And save. We will save it. Then internal grouping. Save. And saved. Now ZARM internal standard grouping is assigned. Okay, this is important for internal standard grouping because whenever then you want to create a business partner or a vendor, let's say, without internal standard grouping checked or option selected, it will not make one without that. This is some glitch that we have. Now, this thing is done, okay? And let's basic settings are done. Now comes master data synchron. Now we have synchronization. We have to synchronize FI, that is finance, with cross application components. So we are actually connecting that through our groupings that we have done with customer vendor integration and business partner. I believe it's business partner settings. Let's see. Settings for, yes, settings for vendor integration. Define BP role for direction vendor to BP. Not this one, not this one, not this one. Field assignment and define number assignment. for direction VP, number of for direction vendor to BP. Let's check this one. Direction VP to vendor. Yeah, direction VP to vendor. Okay, it's the same ZARM and ZARM. And this is important to check the same numbers because same numbers, same number ranges in FI and cross application components have to match. Now, this is ZARM RM vendors coming from FI because over here, this is account group. Sorry, this is from FI, this is from grouping. This is short name vendors. We actually wrote business partners, but it was in the long description. Save, save. Now this is done. This is how you integrate business partners for vendors using cross-application components and finance with the number ranges. Okay. And okay, now let's go back. This is also done. Now comes the next part, which is in logistics. So you actually see that when you're working in FICO, we are working with multiple modules at the same time. Now we will be heading to logistics. Yeah, logistics. And we have a business partner as well. Business partner, suppliers, suppliers, control, define account groups and field selection, supplier. Okay. All right. Now, what do we have here? ZARM. Okay, the same is the same account group that we used in FI is the same, and this is also integrated with your cross application components. I hope this is easy for you. Okay. Now, I hope this is clear now. So let's stop over here for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.